Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to add bullet points in Obsidian. It's quick and simple, so let's get started. First of all, open your Obsidian app and navigate to the node where you want to add bullet points. Now, to create a bullet points, just type minus, multiply or plus followed by a space. You will see that Obsidian automatically converts it into a bullet point. Simply hit enter to add the next bullet point. Each time you press enter, a new bullet will appear. You can continue adding as many items as you like. If you want to add a sub bullet, hit the tab key. Hit the tab key after typing your bullet point. This will indent your item and create a sub-bullet under the main one. And that's it. Thanks for watching.